What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys episode 2 of this, still untitled series where we show you what my house looked like, including renovations, demo, and interior decorating. Today we're going to be focusing on what we ended up doing for the front room, the living room main area, and the kitchen. This is my home. Welcome. Come on in. Take a gander at what I've just signed my life away on. Alright, the first section here is going to be the front room, the living room space. There's a closet. It was finished. It's got the linoleum finish, and we really didn't want to do anything else. It's got white inside there, despite the outside being that gross peach color. But as you pan back here to the main room, you're going to see that there's kind of this gross two-tone white and peach color highlight thing that's gross. My fingers are indicating the sectional that we're going to be buying there, as well as going over exactly how I'm going to get rid of this. We went with eggshell. And so where I'm standing is where the sectional is going to be, and here is how it looks now. The sectional went a different direction. You can see it kind of separates the room and gives you a little hallway, which I really like that idea for. We added some darker furniture to match the linoleum ground. You can see we got rid of that stripe, which makes the room a lot brighter, and we added the eggshell white paint. The blinds were already there, but we added some curtains. I also added a smart thermostat. But other than that, that's the front room. Moving on to the kitchen. So before I show you the final product, I just want to warn you, I didn't clean anything. I just went in and started videotaping. Evie's probably going to be mad at this part because it's not looking good. But I just wanted to show you structurally and interior design wise what we decided to do. Here's a shot of our pantry. Lots of cereals and dried goods. We ended up putting a carpet and table right there. You also see by the sliding door that there is a closet for our large appliances. But other than that, it looks like it remains pretty much the same. So that's the first floor. We still got 2 more to go, guys. Do you guys want to go outside or upstairs first? Outside or upstairs? So you thought I was done. Little did you know that I actually videoed myself painting the whole job there in the front room. It was like a 2 or 3 a day event, and I didn't record it all, but I got some good highlights here, so I had to prep by filling all the nail holes. Next was to prime, and so here we are getting ready to prime. I had some really good help from family. Thank you, Dad, and thank you, Tim. Also, Evie, you're an amazing taper. You really made the process so much easier. And now let's go ahead and cue that hyperlapse of 2 or 3 days of literally painting.
My hands are shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run him through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side?
Story time. So I made a big boo-boo the first day. I primed the crap out of it. We waited a couple hours and then went for our first coat of the paint, and this is what happened. This truly is my first time painting a wall. We painted it real nice, but there's something wrong. Can you tell that there's something off about that? We used the stupid primer, not the actual latex eggshell. We used the primer a whole bucket. Well, you win some, you lose some. So I beseeched my older brother Timmy to help me because I was so frustrated at the time, and he came over, and I'm so happy that he did. I really appreciate he did. It was a really fun night that we had. Refinishing and putting a coat of paint in the middle of the night is a time that I cherish with Timmy.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip.
Alright, so this is the next day. I slept over, built my bed, and now we're gonna check out the final product. Dang, check out that line.
Just finished. Evie's on her way. See what she thinks.
I'm here! I love it!
Shut the door. Say that again. You didn't shut the door.
So guys, I think that completes our painting and moving project. We've got a bunch more to do. That might be for another day, another time. Thank you so much. Alright, Pungiels, well thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys watching to the very end. This is basically my log of us renovating and finishing our house. So if you like this content, hit that like button, and we'll see if we end up going outside or in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments below which you would prefer, and I will make a video accordingly.